how to log in into your account on Bitrue. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on Bitrue application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's start with the video. To log in into your account on Bitrue, first of all, open Bitrue app on your mobile device. As soon as you open the Bitrue app, you'll be able to see this option for sign up to receive. Click on login as sign up option. After you click on it, you need to write down your registered email and password, or just simply you can log in your account with your Google account. If you don't know how to create an account on Bitrue, then make sure to check out a guide on how to create an account on it. Now just simply write down your registered email and password manually. As soon as you write it down, hit the login button. After you click on login button, your account will instantly log in into Bitrue account. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna log in into your Bitrue. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.